Alright, just gonna make a quick video. We're checking out these new landscape lights from Amazon that had thousands and thousands of reviews. I'll put a link in the description. So they come like this. It's kind of neat because they have this mounting where you can mount these to anywhere. So you could mount them to a fence or a wall or anything. We're just gonna use them in our landscape. So they come with these stakes. They just pop in the bottom like that and you stick them in the ground. They said on the directions to let them charge for a couple days before you put them in. Even though it's been overcast, they have been sitting outside for a couple of days. This is actually the second full day, so they've had about 2.5 days by the time they'll turn on tonight. So on the back, there's an on button that I'm gonna hit so that they'll turn on automatically when it gets dark. And so we're gonna try these out. What we've had there the last, I think 2 years at least, are these from Home Depot. And these just aren't doing that well. They're very dim. The solar thing is just not holding up. And so that may be normal. But I'm gonna put these side by side and then we'll try to get some video for you to do a comparison. And these came in a 4-pack, right around $32 when I bought them, 31 something. And then if it works, I'm gonna buy 2 more 4-packs, at least 2 or 3 more to do the whole landscape, because we have landscape here, over there, and then in the front yard. And so these look like they might do a lot better. So we'll update you later. All right, so these are just placed here for the comparison test. These lights won't probably stay in this position, but I've got the new on the left there and the old one on the right. That one's the old one on the left, the new one on the right. The one before the black drain hose is the new one on the left and the old one on the right. And then the other one's just a new one over there by itself. That's kind of what they look like from this direction, pointing towards this corner of the house. And then from another view, kind of see where they're positioned. So when I come out at night, it'd just be easier to tell where they were. We'll check back when it's dark. Okay, so quite the difference between the new ones and the old ones. The new ones have the brighter white LED lights. The older ones have the softer yellow light. I'm gonna try to get these lights at night. So I got all the motion lights off so they won't kick on. So as bright as these do look, when you look at them head on, they really don't cast a large amount of light. You can tell how close those are to the house, but that, so I like them, but I think that's one thing that surprised me, was that they really don't cast a lot of light. I'm gonna show you how it looks from the street. Okay, so this is the front of the house with the 6 lights. So it lights it up enough where you can at least see it, which is really all you're wanting, at least all we're wanting. Just so kind of lights up the house a little bit at night. There was 4 up there in that corner, and then over on this side there was 6 over there in that area of the house over here. That gives you an idea of how they do at night.